I don't do the most, but I do a lot. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shoot that. Hey, why not? Yeah, coming in hot. Just like the fajita. I write what I live. My life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow. Just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam.
Oluwabumi Fakorede. I believe in you, the person you'll grow to be, and the couple will be together. With my whole heart, I take you as my wife, acknowledging and accepting your faults and strengths as you do mine. I promise to be faithful and supportive.
A little sunshine, had my share of rain, but there's nothing in this world compared to the joy I have whenever I'm with you.
You're my person, baby, my affair and my life, today and always. I love you, Oluwabumi Fakorede. Aya Olukayode.
Kingsley, will you have this woman as your wedded wife to live together according to God's ordinance in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health?
Yes, I will.
Thank the Lord above for giving you to me. Forever's just the start. Forever's you and me. What would I do if I don't have you? See, life is like a journey. It's full of ups and downs. No matter what you go